Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to access advanced BIOS settings on your HP computer. This feature is often restricted, but I'll walk you through the steps to check if it's available. So, let's get started. First, restart your computer. While it restarts, press the ESC key repeatedly until the startup menu appears. Then, press F10 to enter the BIOS setup. If available, go to the Advanced tab. No Advanced tab? That means HP has locked these settings for security reasons. Unfortunately, there is no official way to unlock it if it's restricted. So that's how you check for advanced BIOS on HP. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.